She's a dangerous doll. Today we are unboxing Hatchimals Pixies Crystal Flyers. Let's open it. There's a zipper over back here. There's the instructions. Patties. And there's a card over here. Let me take it out. Here's the charger. Let me pull out the charger. I'm opening the egg. Wow, she looks so pretty. Now I'm going to gently remove this. My mom is giving me a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut off these little things that keep her arms and legs in. Wow, look at her. I'm gonna see. You plug in the charger and the on and off button is down here. Let's start it. I'm scared. I can't get that on. Oh no. No. Let's try that again in an open space. The instructions say that you have to put the doll in its base. So we've did that. So I'm gonna turn her around. I'm gonna turn on the doll. There. I have her on. I'm gonna get my hand ready because she's not. What do we do?
Oh.
I can't contain her, Papa. I don't get her hand up. She's supposed to contain from her head. Let go. I can contain her. I know how.
You hold it with your hand.
Let's try again. I am super scared this time. Whoa. Down, Papa. She's a dangerous doll.